Hey there, everyone. We begin in the tropics where we're watching Tropical Storm Lee right now moving to the west-northwest at 14 miles an hour. Max wind 70, so it's almost a hurricane, and it should become a hurricane later today or into tomorrow. In fact, ahead of it, we have very warm ocean waters and very little wind shear, so the storm system is expected to become a major hurricane as we head into the next couple of days. You can see by Saturday, a Category 4 hurricane with winds of 150 miles an hour. There's Puerto Rico, there's Hispaniola. The forecast calls for the center of the storm to say roughly 300 miles north of Puerto Rico, but if it does take this lower track here, then it would be roughly about 100 miles north of Puerto Rico, at least the center of that storm system. But after that, long-range computer models then start to take the storm system farther to the north. So computer models in very good agreement, tightly clustered, keeping the center of the storm about 300 miles north of the islands. And then after that, notice you can see that they're going to start to take a more of a northerly turn and take it up towards Bermuda. So this one's very close, so one that we will watch over the next couple of days. But for now, it seems like it's going to stay well to the east of South Florida. All right, so with that said, farther out of the Atlantic, we have two other systems that we're watching. This, in fact, used to be Franklin, the Hurricane Center giving it a very slim chance that it becomes another tropical system. Otherwise, we have a wave coming off of Africa. This one has about a 60% chance of developing, but computer models take this one safely into the middle of the Atlantic. All right, so here's a live look outside Delray Beach. Notice we have some high clouds drifting overhead, and that'll be the story for today. So we'll be partly to mostly sunny. Temperatures middle 80s. We're heading up to about 90. The winds are light. Now, we do have a lot of dry air sitting on top of us, so as a result, we're not going to see much rain over the next couple of days. Plus, we have an area of higher pressure dominating. So the combination of this very dry air and high pressure will bring us limited rainfall over the next few. But as we head towards the weekend, notice a little bit of tropical moisture getting closer. So as we head into Sunday, we may see an extra shower or thunderstorm around. Otherwise, for today, if you're going boating, seas at 2 to 3 feet, inland waters a light chop, and there are your high and your low tide times. First alert, 7-day forecast. Not much rain through Friday. Temperatures seasonal. As we head into the weekend, rain chances do tick up a bit.